Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Now I request our President U. Shantrambat to escort today's chief guest, K. Subramanya Kamath, and his wife, and Sri M. Vaman Kamath, Treasurer, CHS Association. Let's begin the function with formal prayer. Now I request our President Sri U. Shantaram Bhatt to give a welcome speech.
Good evening, all students. Good evening, respected teachers and respected parents. And good evening to those who have achieved and done extremely well in the last academic year. And today, on your behalf, as well as on behalf of Canara High School Association members, it is my great pleasure to invite our today's chief guest, CA K. Subramanya Kamath, present chairman of Mangalore Charter. Along with him, I also invite Srimati K. Purnima Kamath for their gesture. Because of government restrictions, this year we could not perform or we could not do most of the activities of our Old Students Association. But even then, we thought of doing or celebrating this Old Student Day in a simple manner. Regarding Canara Institution, needless to talk much about Canara Institution. Wherever you go today, you are getting a great performance as well as great old students of Canara. And one thing which you can see in old students of Canara, it's a go-getting nature as well as a helping nature. Because of that, today the name as well as flag of Canara is getting or showing colorful picture all over the country. And after felicitation function, we have a drama by M. Dinesh Bhatt and party. After that, we have a small dinner function. Those who have purchased or not purchased, tickets are available with the Dinkar Kamath. And along with this function, it is my duty to welcome the headmistress and our respected association member, Vaman Kamath, for his extended support to us every year. And for all this function, I welcome you heartily and I need support from you old students. And I thank my fellow members of Canara High School Old Student Association for giving me this opportunity to give a welcome speech. Thank you.
Santosh Prabhu, Secretary, to read out the annual report.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Secretary report. It gives me immense pleasure to present before you the annual report for the year 2019-2020. We celebrated our annual day in the month of February 2020. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, which shook the entire world, our association could not meet for the next 6 months. Our first meeting was held in the month of Jan 2021. and we decided to go ahead with our annual general body meeting, which was held on 31st January 2021. It was decided to continue with the interim committee till the next AGM, and the following members were given the charge: Sri Shantaram Bhatt as the President, Sri Eknath Shene Vice President, Santosh V. Prabhu as General Secretary, Ashok Pai as Treasurer, and Gopal Kamath as Joint Secretary. A total of 10 members were appointed as advisors to the committee. I thank all the members for giving their full-hearted support to the committee members for the smooth conduct of the annual day. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Santosh. Now it's time to felicitate today's chief guest, CAK Subramanya Kamath. CAK Subramanya Kamath is a famous chartered accountant practicing in Bangalore since 24 years, having office at Pylands, PM Rao Road, Bangalore. He has also set up practice in Bangalore too. He has the title of being outstanding sportsman during his college days. He is presently the chairman of Mangalore branch of SIRC of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. I welcome him on behalf of association. Now I request our President U. Shantaram Bhatt to present memento and flower bouquet in token of our respect and love towards him. Now it is high time we are presenting endowment prizes to meritorious students. So I request Sri K. Subramanya Kamath to give away the prizes. Endowment prizes. Mrs. J. Leelavati Vaman Prabhu Memorial Prize donated by her sons Mrs. J. Mohandas Prabhu and brothers, the best outgoing student UKG class, Canara English Nursery School to Devamshu A. Rao. The Parar Narasimha Kamath Memorial Prize donated by his son Sri Parar Janardhan Kamath to the best outgoing student 5th standard Canara English Higher Primary School Dongarkeri to be Akshata Pai. Late Mrs. Nagar Sharada Elias Gauribai Memorial Prize donated by her daughter Mrs. Nalini Shenai to the best outgoing student 5th standard male Canara Higher Primary School Kannada Medium to Varshini. Girija Kamath Prize donated by her son Dr. M. Suresh Kamath to the best outgoing student Canara Balawadi School to Pratiksha. Mrs. J. Vaman Prabhu and Sons Prize donated by Sri V. Vaman Prabhu and his sons to the best outgoing student UKG class Canara Nursery School Urua to Om Nayak. Late Sri Suratkal Ganesh Kamath Memorial Prize donated by Sri S. Balchandra Kamath to the best outgoing student 5th standard Canara English Higher Primary School Urua to Satya Swaroop P. M. Krishna Prabhu Memorial Prize donated by his son Sri Vittal Das Prabhu M. to the best outgoing student 7th standard English medium for English subject Canara High School to Anuj Bhatt Palimar. Late Sri K. Srinivas Shanai Memorial Prize donated by his wife Mrs. Chandrakala S. Shanai to the best outgoing student 7th standard Kannada medium for maths subject Canara High School Dongarkeri to Sinchana. late Sri Talapadi Anant Kamath Memorial Prize donated by his son Sri M. Mukund Kamath to the best outgoing student, 8th standard English medium for social studies, Canara High School Main Dongarkeri to Samradhi. A Govind Pai Memorial Prize donated by her son Sri A. Ramesh Pai and Sri A. Gopal Krishna Pai to the best outgoing student, 8th standard Kannada medium for social studies, Canara High School to K. Sri Lakshmi. A. Vittal Rao and Mrs. Mayavi Rao, the best outgoing student, 9th standard Kannada medium for Kannada, Canara High School Dongarkeri to Kripa Shetty. A. Vittal Rao and Mrs. Mayavi Rao to the best outgoing student, 9th standard English medium for English, Canara High School Dongarkeri to Prerana A.S. The Markad Venkatrai Kamath and Brothers Prize to the best outgoing student, SSLC English medium, Canara High School Dongarkeri to Nidhi Rao. Late Sri Suratkal Ganesh Kamath Prize donated by his son Sri Balchandra Kamath. The best outgoing student, SLC Kannada medium, Canara High School Dongarkeri to Sindhura MG. Sindhura MG. Late Mrs. K. Bhavani Kamath Memorial Prize donated by his son Sri K. Mukund Kamath. The best outgoing student, SSLC Moral Activities, Canara High School Main Dongarkeri to Shravya R. J. Narayan Prabhu Memorial Prize donated by Mrs. J. Vaman Prabhu and Son to the best outgoing student, SSLC, Canara Girls High School, Dongarkeri to M. Ashlesh Malya. Ullal Kogan Naik Memorial Prize donated by his son Sri Ullal Vishwanath Naik to best outgoing student, SSLC, Canara High School Urva to K.S. Sri Krishna Rao. Dr. K.P. Sheni Prize to the best outgoing student, 2nd PUC Science, Canara Junior College to S. Mayur Kamath. S. Mayur Kamath. Ganeshnath Prabhu Memorial Prize donated by Mrs. J. Vaman Prabhu and Sons to the best outgoing student, 2nd PU Commerce, Canara Junior College to Sinchana HS and U. Pratiksha Malya, shared by 2. Sinchana HS and U. Pratiksha Malya. Nagar Ramkrishnan Prize to the best outgoing student, 2nd PUC Arts, Canara Junior College to Shishir VC. Late C.P. Kamath Memorial Prize donated by his son Dr. C.R. Kamath to the best outgoing student, final degree science, Canara College to Akil. Harkul Kambalkodi Fakir Narayan Shanai Prize donated by his son Sri A.K. Gopinath Shanai to the best outgoing student, final degree commerce, Canara College to Vindhya Shet. Vindhya Shet. I request you to clap. Dr. U.T. Kini Prize to the best outgoing student, final degree arts, Canara College to Badresh Malya. Badresh Malya. time to give away sports prizes to old boys in senior category above 60 years. I request Mrs. Purnima Kamath to give away the prizes. In short put category above 60, first place goes to Dinkar Kamath. Second place goes to Satish Naik. Shot put below 60. First place goes to Anil Kini. Second place goes to Dr. Ajit Kamath. Sack race, first place goes to Nagesh Prabhu. First place goes to Nagesh Prabhu. Second place, Dr. Ajit Kamath. Short putter, second place Ajit Kamath. Slow scooter race, first place goes to Ashok Bhai. Second place to Dr. Ajit Kamath. Musical chair category, first place M. Suresh Bhatt. Second place to Dinkar Kamath. Mini marathon, first place goes to Gautam Prabhu. Second place to Gopal Krishna Kamath. Aiming the wicket category, first place to Geeta Kini. Second place to Geeta Kamath. Lemon spoon category, first place to Prakash Pai. Second place to Gautam Prabhu. Slow walking, first prize to Dinkar Kamath. Second place to Gurudat Padya. Second in atom bomb category, first place to Surendra Pudwa. Second place to Venkatesh Malya. Singles, shuttle badminton singles, first place to K. Narsim Shane. Second place to Prajwal Acharya. Prajwal Acharya. shuttle badminton doubles, first place to K. Narsushani and Lakshmish Malya. Second place to Dinkar Kamath and Ganesh Kamath. Thank you, ma'am. Now it is time for giving prizes for cricket of old boys. Winners, winner of scheme. I request Sri Mohammed Kamath to give you the prize. I'll call out the names. Lakshmish Malya, K. Narsimha Shanai, K. Ramanath Naik, Gautam Prabhu, Srinivas Pai, Anil Bandari, Sudhir Prabhu, Ganesh Bhatt, Narsimha Bhatt, Anant Bhandarkar. This is winners of team. Now runners up team, I request all the winners to come to the stage. Mahesh Kamath, Sudhir Bhagat, Anil Gini, Ramchandra Bhatta, Gaurav Bhatt, Gurudat Padiyar, Aditya Bhatt, Srikant Rao, Balakrishna Naik. I noticed that Sinchana HS has come, so I request her to take away the prizes as Best Outgoing Student, 2nd PU Commerce, Canara Junior College. I request Administrator Aruna to give her the prize. Thank you. Now I request today's chief guest, Sri K. Subramanya Kamath, to address the gathering.
Respected office bearers of Canara Association, alumni, U. Shantaram Bhatt, Vice Chairman A.K. Eknath Shanai, Joint Secretary Santosh V. Prabhu, Treasurer Ashok Pai, my senior Chartered Accountant Vaman Kamath sir, and administrators of Canara Institution. It gives me great pleasure to stand before you and address this august gathering. First of all, I would like to congratulate Canara Association alumni for the reason in this COVID time also they could arrange this wonderful program. The main objective of Association of Alumni will be pool the resources from the old student in order to give a better service for the future generation of students or for the development of our institution. During the last 25 years, you might have seen the remarkable changes in our institution. It shows how much effort they might have put, they might have contributed. Sir Amembal Subbarav, nearly 100 years before, had a great vision. That's why he formed this organization. And these alumni has contributed or put lot of efforts for the development of this organization and taken to the greater heights. I would like to pray to the God, give energy or strength to them so that they can take it to the still greater heights. During the meantime, I would like to remember the teachers of my days. Because of their efforts, what I am today. And because of their efforts, that whenever our results comes, we can see that always our institution is first among all the institutions. Today we have given a lot of prizes to the young students for the merits they have secured in their studies. Their parents must be very proud. It also reminds my college days also, where I used to get prizes. I would like to wish them a great success in the future. To tell you very frankly, I am a very ordinary man, and I also used to sit there, but association of this alumni made me to sit here. Sir, you have given honor to me. I would like to thank them. To the student, I would like to tell, anything we can achieve in this life by our hard work. I would like to quote small example of my own. During my college days, on the end of the sports day, after the end of the sports day, I thought next year I should become a sports champion. Believe me, I had not participated in a single event in that year. Then I started practicing very next day of that sports day. During the next year, I accomplished my ambition. I was the sports champion of that year. So I would like to tell the students, by our hard work, any goal can be reached. There might be a pain. So you might have heard, no pain, no gain. Students, you should shine like a sun. In order to shine like a sun, you should burn like a sun. Always I this word tell to my son. As a child opponent, I would like to share some keynotes to the parents. Let me tell you, during my college days, I was a very ordinary student. When I can become a child opponent, why not others? According to me, anyone can become a child opponent. Nowadays, parents are focusing and always insisting their children to take science and telling them to opt or pursue the engineering or medical courses, where they have to spend lakhs of rupees or even crores, and where children has to study up to the age of 32 to 35. But let me tell you, you can complete child accountant, or you can become a child accountant within a period of 3 years, and amount, what is the amount required is 0. So hardly there might be a need of 35 to 40,000, and this also you will get a stipend during your articleship. Even chartered accountancy course is very lucrative, and you have a very good image in the society. Even our Prime Minister has told the sign of a chartered accountant is more powerful than his sign. Even for a population of 135 crores, there are only 2.5 lakhs chartered accountants are there in India. And our Prime Minister has a vision of reaching 5 trillion economy. And it is possible only if there are 20 lakhs of chartered accountants. Therefore, I would like to tell you there are a lot of scope for chartered accountant. And after studies, engineering or medical, again they will be going to foreign country, again they write the exam there to get qualified. But our chartered accountancy has recognition in many countries. They get the job all over the world. And I do not want to press, I'm not pressing, but still what I want to tell you, if they fail in chartered accountancy, still they can lead a comfortable life, because our economy wants accountants. They will be still absorbed in the economy, or they can start a practice as a commercial accountant. Before concluding my speech, I would like to tell you, tomorrow International Women's Day. I would like to request all the children, so I would like to tell them what they are today, it is because of the efforts of their mother. So they have to tomorrow wish their mother and take a blessing of her. And at the end I want to tell, anything can be achieved, only we have to work hard. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai ICAI.
Thank you, sir, for your informative speech. Now I request Sri Vaman Kama, Treasurer of CHS Association, to address.
ಅಜ್ಞಾನತಿಮಿರಾಂಧಸ್ಯ ಜ್ಞಾನಾಂಜನಶಲಾಕಯ ಚಕ್ಷುರುನ್ಮೀಲಿತಂ ಯೇನ ತಸ್ಮೈ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರವೇ ನಮಃ. ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಕಲಿಸಿ ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂದು ನಿಂತು ಮಾತನಾಡುವ ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗುರುಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರಥಮವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಸ್ಮರಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರಿಗೂ, ಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆನರಾ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಾಗ ಇದೇ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯಾಗಿನ ದಿನಗಳು ನೆನಪಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇವೆ. ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಇದೇ ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ, ಇದೇ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲಾ ವರ್ಧಂತ್ಯುತ್ಸವದ ಬಹುಮಾನ ವಿತರಣೆ, ನಾಟಕ, ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಇತ್ಯಾದಿಗಳು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದವು. ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸೇರಿದ್ದು 1971ರಲ್ಲಿ, 71ರಿಂದ 1974. ನನಗಿಂತ ಹಿರಿಯರು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಈ ಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಶಾಲೆಯು ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಆದದ್ದು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ 4 ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನದಿಂದ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ಅಮ್ಮಂಬಳ ಸುಬ್ರಾಬಯ್ಯವರ ಕೃಪಾಕಟಾಕ್ಷದಿಂದ. ಬಹುಶಃ ಈ ಮಹಾತ್ಮರ ಅನುಗ್ರಹದಿಂದ, ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದದಿಂದಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು 1891ರಲ್ಲಿ ಆರಂಭವಾದ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆಯಿಂದ ಆರಂಭಗೊಂಡು ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ 15 ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿವೆ. ನಾನು ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ, ಕೆನರಾ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಆರಂಭಗೊಂಡಿತು. ಅದೇ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ 1973ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆನರಾ ಪದವಿ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಆರಂಭಗೊಂಡಿತು. ನಂತರ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಸೇರಿ ಈಗ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜನ್ನು ಸಹ ಹೊಂದಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಓರ್ವ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಬಾಲವಾಡಿಯಿಂದ ಅಥವಾ ನರ್ಸರಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾಂಟೆಸರಿಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿದರೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಕೆನರಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರಬಹುದಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಂದಿನ ಸ್ಥಾಪಕರು ಮನಗೊಂಡು ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯು ಬೆಳೆಯುವಂತಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದಾದರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೆನರಾ ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಪರಂಪರೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ತಲೆಮಾರಿನವರು ಈ ಕೆನರಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ತಲೆಮಾರಿನವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಕಲಿತಾರೆ, ಮಗದೊಂದು ತಲೆಮಾರಿನವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಕಲಿತಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನೇ ಒಂದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ತಂದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತವರು ಇದೇ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾನು ಇದೇ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತೆ, ನನ್ನ ಮಗನೂ ಇದೇ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೆನರಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಕೆನರಾ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಉರ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತವನು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಕುಟುಂಬದಂತೆ ಕಾಣುವ ಪರಂಪರೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಗುರುಗಳನ್ನು ಸದಾ ಸ್ಮರಿಸುವ ಪರಂಪರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆನರಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಕಡಾಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಬಲ್ಲೆ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ನೇಮಕಾತಿಗಾಗಿ ಸಂದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸುತ್ತೇವೋ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ, ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಾಗೆ ಬರಲು ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟವರಿಗೆ, ಆಸೆ ಇದ್ದವರಿಗೆ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಉದ್ಯೋಗವನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯುವ ಆಸೆ ಇದ್ದವರಿಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ನೆನಪಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಂತಹ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂದಿಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆರಂಭದಿಂದ ಮೊದಲುಗೊಂಡು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಸಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳನ್ನು, ನಮಗೆ ಕಲಿಸಿದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿಯರನ್ನು ನೆನಪಿಸುವ, ವಂದಿಸುವ, ಸ್ಮರಿಸುವ ಒಂದು ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆನರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹಾಕಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಂದಿಗೂ ನನಗೆ ನೆನಪಿದೆ, ಶಾಲೆ ಮುಗಿದು ಹೊರಬಂದ ವರ್ಷ ಇದೇ ಹಳೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಸಂಘದ ಮಹಾಸಭೆ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಭುವನೇಂದ್ರ ಹಾಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಜರುಗುತ್ತಲಿತ್ತು. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಐತಿಹಾಸಿಕ ಸ್ಥಳ. ಐತಿಹಾಸಿಕ ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಪೂರ್ವದ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಹೋರಾಟಗಾರರ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸಭೆ ಸಮಾರಂಭಗಳು ಇದೇ ಭುವನೇಂದ್ರ ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಜರುಗುತ್ತಲಿದ್ದವು. ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧಿಯವರು, ರವೀಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ಠಾಗೂರ್ ಅವರು ಬಂದ ಸ್ಥಳ, ಬಾಲಗಂಗಾಧರ ತಿಲಕ್ ಅವರ ಚಿತ್ರಣವನ್ನು ಅನಾವರಣಗೊಳಿಸಲು ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧಿಯವರು, ಠಾಗೂರ್ ಅವರು ಬಂದ ಸ್ಥಳ ಇದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಪುಣ್ಯಭೂಮಿ, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಭುವನೇಂದ್ರ ಸಭಾಂಗಣ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿಷಯ. ಇದೇ ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ಸಂಘದ, ಹಳೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಸಂಘದ ಮಹಾಸಭೆಯು ಜರುಗುವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಇಂದಿಗೂ ನೆನಪಿದೆ, ನನಗೆ ಆಗ ಗುರುಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದ ದಿವಂಗತ ರಾಮದಾಸ್ ಬಾಳಿಗರು, ನೀನು ಈ ಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸುವಾಗ ಚಂದದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹಿಂದಿನವರೆಗೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಹಿಂದೆ ನಿಂತುಕೊಂಡು ಕೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ನೀನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀನು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸಹ. ಬಹುಶಃ ಅಂದಿಗೆ ನನಗಿದ್ದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಟ್ಟಿನ ಹಿಂಜರಿಕೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಆ ಸಮಾರಂಭದ ನಂತರ ಕಳೆದು ಹೋಯಿತು. ಇಂದಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಅದೇ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊರ್ವನು ತನ್ನ ಜೀವನ ಪರ್ಯಂತ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಹೊಸ ವಿಷಯಗಳು ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿತ್ರರಿಂದ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರಿಂದ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಿರಿಯರಿಂದ, ಆಸುಪಾಸಿನವರಿಂದ, ಸಮಾಜದಿಂದ ಕಲಿತುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೇವೆ. ಈ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಸರ್ವ ಸದಸ್ಯರಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದೇ ವಿನಂತಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನಾವು ಸದಾ ಸರ್ವದ ಕೆನರಾ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾಗಿ ಇರೋಣ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಭಿನ್ನಾಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಸಹ ಚಂದದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮಂದಿರು ಹೊಡೆದಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡೆದಾಡುವಂಥ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಭಿನ್ನಾಭಿಪ್ರಾಯಗಳು ಕೆಲವು ಸಲ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಇವುಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಗೆಹರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದೇ ಕುಟುಂಬದವರಾಗಿ ಅದೇ ಪರಂಪರೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಂಡು ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಶುಭವನ್ನು ಹಾರೈಸಿ ಈ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ನನಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆನರಾ ಹಳೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಸಂಘದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಿಗೂ ಇತರ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ವಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲವು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
Thank you, sir. Now we are honoring Sridhar Prabhu for his meritorious service towards drama. Since 40 years he has done drama in different stages. He is also the office assistant in Canara College since 30 years. Now I request Chief Guest K. Subramania Kamath to honor Sridhar Prabhu, and I request all others to join. Now vote of thanks by our treasurer Ashok Pai.
As we come to the close of today's function, I would like to take this opportunity in thanking all those people who have helped us in making this function a grand success. Firstly, I would like to thank the chief guest of today's function, Shri K.S. Kamath, in accepting our invitation. Srimati Purnima S. Kamath in giving away the prize. Our special thanks goes to Canara High School management, secretary for his extended support, headmistress, staff and students of this institution. Last but not the least, our thanks also goes to Kusum Caterers, Navadurga Arrangers, Pi Illumination, Dev Sounds, and all those people who have relentlessly helped in making this event a great success. Thank you one and all.